Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again, you know, big up and respect to each and every one. Yeah, manners, you see it? Alright, so I have a video I'm going to present to you, and in my point of view, this video shows a sad situation. This video shows some things that happened, or what happened when a wife called the police on her husband because she wanted him to leave the house that both of them call home. This happened somewhere within the United Kingdom. I do not know when the video will be recorded. Viewers and subscribers, I think it is a sad situation. See? Tell me what you think about a situation like this, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think.
Hello sir, how you doing?
Oh, the
Hello
police.
buddy, I'm really sorry to bother you. How you doing? You alright? What's your name, my friend?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah. It's very bright, your torch on me.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, it's alright, we're recording you as well, so it's all
That's
fine.
fine.
It's all good.
Yeah, please, can you leave now, please?
Sir, did you hear that? Please,
Can you
can you
leave
leave?
now?
What did you say?
Did you hear what your ex-partner said?
She's not my ex-partner.
Oh, okay, well, so I was
She's
under the
she's not my
impression
partner. She's my wife.
Okay. But you've still been instructed to leave, haven't you? And this is indeed her property, as far as I'm
Yeah.
understanding.
I'm a name occupant.
No,
of it.
you are not.
Yes, I am.
Because we have the
No.
issue last time, and the police came and they took you out from here. They asked you to leave last time.
When was that?
That should be around here. Is it 2003? Yeah.
I'm sorry, that was
Yeah, they asked you to leave, in which they are the one that request me, to go and remove your name, and they asked you to leave.
My name is on the tenancy.
No, it's
Could you
not.
bring
I
the
don't-
tenancy,
Do you have a
please?
copy of that?
No,
Exactly.
send it to me on my
Bring,
email.
yeah, bring it on the
sorry.
email.
What was your name, sir? Sorry.
My name is Edward.
Edward, nice to meet you, sir.
I don't know about that. You come into my home to get rid of me, and you said it's nice to meet me.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I don't think it's nice to meet you.
Being polite, though, isn't it?
Well, there is no polite in breaking a home. There is no politeness in breaking a home, officer.
What do you mean breaking a home?
Yeah, coming into my home to get rid of me from my house,
Yeah.
and you say that is you being polite. There is nothing polite about that.
Okay.
Absolutely. I wouldn't come into your home,
We'll agree to disagree.
try to get you out of your home, and I say I'm being polite to you.
Yeah, okay.
I'd rather say you're doing your job as a British police officer.
We'll go with that. That's sweet. I'm alright.
Okay.
with that.
Okay.
Sorry, I just...
No, you're
That's okay.
fine.
Just one
No
no
rush.
rush. So, what was your name, madam?
Yeah, one highlighted.
Lovely, okay. Hold on, I'll take this off so I can do it. Sir, I appreciate you probably can't see much with that light on, but would you be able to see this with me? So this is a copy of your tenancy from L&Q.
And what year was that, sir?
Sorry?
What year?
This is dated 24th of the 8th, 2018, from the tenancy start date of the 8th of the 7th, 2013, and it says tenancy end date not applicable. Hence, it's a rolling contract.
Yeah, a
Your
start
name,
date.
sir, isn't that on here? Name the tenant, that's this lady here. Your name is not listed.
What year was that issue?
Like I just said, sir. 24th of the 8th, 2018.
Okay.
You won't be able to see it, I suspect, but yeah, so your name is not on the tenancy agreement, sir. That does in fact mean that you don't have the right to be here if this lady doesn't want you to be here. So respectfully, she's asked you to leave, yeah?
Okay.
Please, can you leave? She has the same power as us in this instance, but we're here just to prevent a breach of the peace. If you refuse to leave, a breach of the peace is likely to occur. We really don't want to do anything like that, so we respectfully ask you to leave.
Okay. Now,
Thank you.
If-
madam.
Thank you.
I'm happy that we've cleared that grey area.
Indeed.
Now, Lewisham Council has said to me, by virtue of being legally married, and the marriage is still binding, she cannot request me to leave.
Okay.
So have you got that in a bit on? Have you got that as a document? Confirmation.
I don't have it, but I could check.
How are you going to check? Because this is also an LSU property. It's not,
it is.
It's not Lewisham Council.
Yes, but they said to me, because I called them and I went there, I called them, and they said to me.
It's really blinding my eyes.
Yeah, would you mind just angling it down slightly, sir?
Oh, sorry.
Blinding us.
Yeah, sorry. I said, let me put it down somewhere.
Yeah, sweet.
Worst case scenario, I'll call Lewisham Council again, and you can have a chat with them.
No, we don't need to do that.
So,
because they said to me,
it's falling into the realms of a civil matter, sir.
Yeah, it is a civil matter. It is a civil matter.
Yeah.
And exactly what they said, that the police has no involvement in it.
Okay, respectfully,
Yeah.
that's what the council have told you. I understand that, but from what we've got, this lady who is the owner, is the tenant, the only registered tenant of this property, does not want you, who is not registered on this property, in this place. Yeah,
and they said
she's asked you to leave. At the moment, it looks like you're refusing to take action on that. If you disagree with that, and you're saying that the council have told you this advice, which you have not provided in writing, that's
no. You are an officer of the law.
I am, sir. So now I'm
so you know the law.
Asking you
Excuse
to
me.
leave.
Excuse me. Let me.
Sir, you're going to leave.
Let me make my point. Let me make my point.
Sir,
No. I'm saying to. I've not made my point. I'm saying to you, Lewisham Council has said to me when I went to them that my wife has evicted me. They said you've called her your wife, which means. And they asked me, do you have a marriage certificate? I say yes. Is the marriage certificate legal tender? No. Is the marriage certificate legally issued in Britain? I say yes. They said to me, well, as long as the marriage is not annulled.
You don't need to shout. I'm just here. It's all right.
They said to me, as long as the marriage is not annulled, you have the legal right to be in the same house with her, and there is no violence involved. You have the same right that she has. You've got children together.
Yeah.
You have the same right to be in the house as she has.
Okay.
So if you tell me that that is not valid, if you tell me that that is a lie, that they have lied to me, I have a caseworker, okay, with Lewisham Council for the homeless. I will take that to her, and what she has requested me to get from you lot, if you turn up, is a reference for this.
Okay, a CAD number.
We can give you that.
And an eviction notice issued by you that you remove me.
We don't issue eviction
Okay,
notices.
so you will give me a reference.
We can give you a reference.
Okay.
But you need to leave.
I will leave.
Amazing.
I will leave.
Come
Yeah,
on.
I'm happy that you've said that to me.
That's fine.
At least
I
that
just
validates.
need to grab your details as well before you go.
That validates everything that has occurred.
Yeah.
That validates everything that has occurred here today.
You get a CAD number, that's not a problem at all. If
Okay.
you just grab your clothes and some shoes. Do you want me to?
Oh yeah, you go. I'll make sure we're all right. Yeah, sweet.
We'll just be here.
Will you just
I'll get her details.
and thank you. I'll give you that reference number, shall I, sir?
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll start that once that's done. Yeah. Control 4-3. Can I get the CAD number for our current sign, please, Bartram Road?
Is it 5 o'clock now?
5-2.
Bartram Road is 5237 number.
Thank you. Is your reference number?
Any units available?
So that's the reference. Oh, I know. That's the reference number of what you've asked for. Okay.
Okay, lovely.
Do you need to get changed? I can give you a bit of privacy if you need.
Yeah, sure. It's a CAD S237.
Oh, no, sorry, it's a 5. That's my poor handwriting. 5.
Okay, 237/7 May. Yeah. Thank you.
I'll give you a bit of privacy to get changed, my friend. All right.
All right then. I'm just gonna find some email that I could show you.
Would you mind showing me outdoors, sir? Yeah,
Okay.
Just get your stuff and we'll make all.
All right. Excuse me.
Go on.
Excuse me. Sure you appreciate the fact that I can't grab all of my stuff in one go.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna, because I'm going to work tonight.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take a few stuff. So how do we progress from there?
So the best thing that we can do with that is obviously it's not a massive amount of my business how you're going to do that, but what we can do is they can facilitate it at a later date. If so required, police can re-attend on an appointment to make sure there's not any further breaches of the peace, so you can collect whatever stuff you need to. And I'm sure the other half of this argument can facilitate that as well. But I appreciate you can't take all of it tonight. That'd be madness. But yeah, that's no problem. They can facilitate that at a later time. That you're massively entitled to. Yeah, no worries.
I think I've got my caseworker's email here. If you want to read through the troll of communication. Yeah, sure. There's a troll of communication in there.
Which one? Just go through it, is it?
No, there is.
You know, my people. So me I talk about a sad situation. A sad situation. Me respect how the man handled the situation maturely. I respect that. And it seems as if it's only the female's name is on the document for that place. It seems so to me. You know, me learn something from this video still. Me learn something from this video. If you're living with a woman, whether she's your wife or not, or if you're a woman and you're living with a man, whether he's your husband or not, make sure so the two of them name depend the documents for that place that you're going to rent or buy. You see it? Cause push come to shove, you don't want to find yourself in a situation like this. Jano, in my point of view, it seems as if this whole situation is the result of an ongoing dispute between the husband and the wife. Jano, two African descendants too. I tell my people. Tell me what you think about a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. If you find yourself in a situation like that, what would you do? Me? I would take my time and leave. See? If I am allowed a certain amount of time to find myself a place and so forth, I would appreciate it. But I'm gonna take my time and leave. But however, I learned something from that video, so me now find myself in a situation like that. See? And me dancehall skilla is a hard working man, you know. I don't like to see husband and wife mash up or anything like that, especially when they have children or a child. You see, because I think about the children when it comes on to a breakup situation, you know. See, or a divorce situation, you know. I think about the children, you know. Yeah, man. How it will affect the children, all of them things there. Yeah, me certainly learned something from this video. My people, let me know what I think about this video. Let me know what I think about this video. Yeah, so me have left it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.